Hi, today we're going to do drill sound warm up. We're going to start with our large cards. You're going to repeat after me. M, man, N, nut, B, bat, B, U, up, I, itch, I, F, fun, T, top, T. Now we're going to use our standard cards, and I'm going to show you the sound, and you're going to need to raise your hand so someone can tell your teacher what the sounds are. She's going to pick someone, so someone raise your hand. Okay, as the drill sound leader, you have to say the sound, the picture, and then, or the letter name, the sound, and the picture. Let's try that again. The letter, the picture, and the sound, just like I did with the large cards. Okay? Okay, teachers have someone picked and have them unmuted. After they say it, you're going to repeat them. Here's the first one. And the last one. Great job.